9 gut healing foods that quietly rebuild your body after 65. What if the secret to living longer, feeling lighter, and avoiding some of the deadliest diseases was hiding right inside you? I'm talking about your gut, the incredible, microscopic universe that hosts trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other organisms working day and night to protect your body. But here's the problem. After age 65, your gut microbiome begins to shift, and not always for the better. Years of processed foods, medications, and environmental toxins can damage the delicate balance inside your digestive system. The result? Weakened immunity, chronic inflammation, and a rising risk of cancer. The good news? Science has revealed a powerful truth. Certain foods, natural, real, deeply nourishing, can restore the harmony inside your gut. They don't just feed you. They feed your microbiome. They help detox your system. And they may even help prevent disease. Let's dive into 9 scientifically proven foods, completely different from tomatoes, pomegranate, kiwi, matcha, or dark chocolate, that can rejuvenate your microbiome, support detoxification, and reduce cancer risk, especially for adults over 65. We'll unpack the research, explore real-life stories, and show you how to enjoy these foods in ways that are delicious and healing. 1. Artichokes. The gut's favorite flower. Artichokes may not be on your regular grocery list, but they should be. These fiber-packed plants are rich in inulin, a type of prebiotic that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that inulin from artichokes significantly increased beneficial bifidobacteria, microbes that strengthen immunity and reduce inflammation. In older adults, who often experience reduced microbial diversity, artichokes offer a delicious, natural way to restore microbial balance. They also contain polyphenols, which act like fertilizer for healthy gut flora. One of my clients, Margaret, 72, started including steamed artichokes with olive oil in her meals twice a week. Within a month, her digestion improved and her persistent bloating subsided. Artichokes, she told me, became her miracle flower. 2. Leeks. The forgotten prebiotic powerhouse. Leeks belong to the allium family, along with garlic and onions, but their unique benefit lies in their high prebiotic fiber content. Prebiotics act as fuel for your gut microbiota, and leeks contain a compound called fructooligosaccharides, FOS, that selectively nourishes beneficial bacteria. A study published in Frontiers in Microbiology found that diets rich in prebiotic fibers significantly reduce the risk of colorectal cancer, particularly in older adults. Leeks also support detoxification through sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes. Try adding sautéed leeks to soups, omelets, or roasted vegetables. It's an easy upgrade with big benefits. 3. Fermented carrots. The probiotic you're missing. You've heard of yogurt and kefir, but have you tried fermented carrots? These vibrant veggies combine the antioxidant power of beta-carotene with the probiotic richness of fermentation. Unlike pickled vegetables soaked in vinegar, naturally fermented carrots offer live cultures that thrive in your colon. According to Harvard Health, fermented vegetables improve microbial diversity and help crowd out harmful bacteria, reducing inflammation and enhancing immune function. For seniors, this means better digestion, fewer infections, and possibly lower cancer risk. Make your own by submerging sliced carrots in salt water and letting them ferment for 5-7 days. They are crunchy, tangy, and deeply healing. 4. Seaweed. Nature's mineral-rich gut shield. Seaweed is more than sushi wrap. It's a superfood rich in prebiotics, antioxidants, iodine, and fucoidan, a unique polysaccharide shown in studies to support immune regulation and inhibit cancer cell growth. Research from the Journal of Applied Phycology indicates that seaweed fibers feed protective gut bacteria and improve barrier function, making it harder for toxins to leak into the bloodstream, a key issue in leaky gut syndrome. Elderly individuals often have lower levels of digestive enzymes and beneficial bacteria. Seaweed gently supports both. A sprinkle of dried seaweed flakes on your soup or salad can be a small habit with a massive payoff. 5. Jerusalem artichokes. The inulin champion. Also called sunchokes, Jerusalem artichokes contain one of the highest concentrations of inulin, the same prebiotic found in chicory and onions. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, inulin was found to significantly increase calcium absorption and promote short-chain fatty acid production in the colon, a key process in cancer prevention. Older adults benefit from this because SCFAs, like butyrate, strengthen the gut lining, reduce colon inflammation, and may protect against colorectal cancer. Enjoy roasted Jerusalem artichokes with olive oil and thyme. They are nutty, creamy, and gut-boosting. 6. Green bananas. The resistant starch healer. While ripe bananas are high in sugar, green bananas are rich in resistant starch, a form of fiber that resists digestion and becomes food for good bacteria in the large intestine. According to the World Journal of Gastroenterology, resistant starch improves insulin sensitivity, reduces fat storage, and enhances production of butyrate, which nourishes colon cells and lowers inflammation. For those over 65 dealing with blood sugar swings and gut discomfort, green banana flour, used in smoothies or baking, is an excellent choice. 7. Dandelion greens. The detoxifying bitter. Often dismissed as a weed, dandelion greens are a powerful medicinal food. They are loaded with inulin, flavonoids, and chlorogenic acid, compounds that support bile flow, feed gut flora, and detoxify the liver. Research in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine shows that dandelion greens stimulate digestive secretions, reduce water retention, and may enhance the breakdown of toxins and hormones. For seniors dealing with sluggish digestion or mild toxicity symptoms, adding dandelion greens to salads or smoothies can be a game changer. 8. Miso. The ancient gut healer. Miso, a fermented soybean paste, has been consumed in Japan for centuries. It contains beneficial bacteria such as Tetragonococcus halophilus, which enhances the immune system and supports intestinal balance. Miso is also high in zinc, manganese, and copper, minerals crucial for detoxification enzymes. According to Cleveland Clinic, miso's fermentation process makes it easier to digest, even for those with weaker stomach acid, common in seniors. Sip on warm miso soup or use it in marinades. Just avoid overboiling, which kills the live cultures. 9. Celery root, celeriac. The anti-inflammatory undercover star. Often overshadowed by celery stalks, celeriac is a root vegetable rich in fiber, vitamin K, and apigenin, a flavonoid studied for its cancer protective effects. It also supports gut health by improving digestion and acting as a mild diuretic. In traditional European diets, celery root is valued for its ability to reduce gas, support liver health, and keep bowels regular. For aging adults, this translates to less bloating, fewer toxins, and a more vibrant digestive system. Roast it, mash it, or shred it into slaws. It's earthy, hearty, and deeply restorative. Conclusion: the path to gut healing starts with your plate. Your microbiome is not just a passive community inside your body. It's an active, living part of your health, regulating everything from immune function to hormone balance to mental clarity. And after 65, it needs more support than ever. These 9 foods, all different from the usual suspects, offer a natural, powerful way to detoxify, rejuvenate, and protect your body. They've been studied. They've been used in healing traditions for centuries. And they've helped real people live better lives. The most profound change doesn't come from a pill. It comes from what you put on your plate. Start today. Rebuild your gut. Reclaim your health. And rediscover the energy and clarity that aging never had to take from you. Disclaimer: the information presented in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new diet, supplement, or exercise regimen. Individual results may vary.